At this point, you are now able to go out and create amazing videos and live streams. So now what? We just create amazing content and hope that people buy from us? No. Now you're ready for the big race. Now we need to leverage that audience that we've built in order to make sales. You can do this in many ways, and you can include video in all forms of your marketing. The big idea here is to create a strategy, execute, measure, and improve the process. Now that you can effectively create videos and go live in a professional manner, you have the ability to personally connect with your audience each step of the way. Think about it. Over the series of this entire course, you may have never met me personally, but do you have a sense that you've gotten to kind of know me? Odds are that you have, and that's a good thing, because like I mentioned before, this is it. This is me. This is as close as it gets to working with me one-on-one without physically being with me. And you can now leverage that power across all of your digital marketing. So let's go over some of the ways that you can include video in your marketing strategy. Number one, a sales funnel. We touched on this in the example before, but creating a video ad is a great way to bring people to your website. And it can bring them to a video sales letter page where you can, again, seamlessly meet them over there and talk about your offering. This can get as sophisticated as you want with video sales letters, product launch videos, webinars, and more. The goal here is to have a measurable objective for each campaign. With a sales funnel, you can measure each step of the way from initial introduction to them becoming a paying client. Once you have the data and how each step is performing, then you can improve each step and double and triple your business. 2, email marketing. Once someone has given you their email, you can now follow up with them with updates and new offerings. Almost every client relationship manager or CRM allows for a video embedding. So you can now create a video on YouTube and embed it into your email blasts, or for extra special clients, you can send them a very personal video message. That is a great way to stand out. Be sure to actually say their name so that they know that it's not just a generic video sent to everybody. How easy would it be to take your top 10 clients, create a happy birthday video message for them, and then schedule it to be delivered on their birthday? FAQ videos. This is a great way to save time and keep a personal touch. Number 4, BTS or behind the scenes videos. Viewers love behind the scenes videos, and it does a great job of building your credibility. This is great content for social media when it's relevant things are happening. Maybe you're at a conference and you want to show your audience what it's like, or do a quick interview with one of the hosts. Number 5, interview industry professionals. Interviewing industry professionals or anyone who shares your target market is a great way to find new eyes. When you create a video, you will tag the person's brand, and it'll be seen by their audience. Now you're leveraging somebody else's star power to bring viewers over to your brand. One of the best ways to do this is to do a remote interview from your studio. You can record it or even do it live. This can be a lot of fun. Number 6, discovery calls. One of the biggest advantages to having a professional studio is the ability to do professional web calls. How do you think I stand out when I have great lighting, camera angle, and audio when they are most likely not in a professional studio? Plus, you have the advantage of showing your computer screen to share any info they may need. This is something that goes overlooked, but it is so worth it. No driving, no commuting, so it saves so much time, and I can do more calls in a day and they all look spectacular. Number 7, blogs. Studies have shown that people prefer the option to read or watch a video. Take your old blog content and create short videos to complement them. Videos are a great way to market a product or service, but sometimes a video can be the product. Here are 2 ways that you can monetize your videos. Number 1, create an e-course. Yep, just like the one you're watching right now. You too can find people who can benefit from your years of experience as a professional. Number 2, selling virtual tickets to live streamed events. You can sell virtual tickets to remote attendees to get access to the stream. So those are my top suggestions for leveraging your audience and monetizing your content. The biggest takeaway from this entire series, if you get nothing else, is to find what inspires you, create a message that will bring value to the world, and make that message global with video and live streaming. Thank you again so much for staying with me until the end, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes you. Before you get going, I have one more video for you, and you don't want to miss it. Seriously, go watch it right now.